Hello, good morning. Welcome to Dave's Hiking and Fishing. We're out, we're hiking. Now, I've not been out for about 6 weeks, so we drove to just to the side of Macclesfield. And the walk's called Macclesfield Forest and Teggs Circular. It's a 2.5 hour walk. Like I say, I don't want to do anything strenuous because I've not been out for 6 weeks. But the weather's been absolutely awful, as you know, all over the country. So I'll just show you, I'll give you a view where we are. So apparently we're just walking along, it's a walk I haven't done before, so we're walking on that road, I think, round the other side of the reservoir. And I can only presume we'll be going up that hill there, round, and along to back where I park my van. So I'm looking forward to this. It's a beautiful morning for a change. So we'll get off. Be right back with you. We've been walking for about a mile or so now. We are also getting up this hill, and I can tell you something. I can tell I've not been walking for 6 weeks. I've got aches in places. I didn't even know I had places. Woo! Well, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, so I think we're only about, probably say 20 minutes off the top there. So it's not a long walk, but sort of a steep descent to the summit, and then it'll be a longer walk back. But the scenery over the Cheshire countryside is really lovely. Probably see as far as the other side of Manchester that way. So here's one for Yasmin. Where you have a bench, you generally have a view. So we'll sit down and see. Oh yes. Right, I think we're at the summit because I can't see anything higher around. You can see in the distance there, you've got, you can zoom in enough. Quite world famous Jodrell Bank telescope. It's absolutely huge. Yeah, I think I'll just find somewhere to sit down, have a drink, and we'll be making the descent. Well, we just come across another bench, and that looks like a good spot for a drink. Ooh. With a view. I think that's shutting slow in the distance there. We've got the reservoir down below here, and I think that second reservoir to the left there is where I park my van. We're probably only about a third of the way around. We are at the summit now. It's one of them where it's very steep to get to the summit, and then it'd be a nice comfortable walk down. Imagine we'll walk round there, through that forest and back round to the res. Right, and the walk goes on. We've just had a brew, a drink. Now somebody's made a time and effort of making a huge stone bench. Just because it's obviously a viewpoint. So it's all downhill from now on, so Looking forward to the next bit. Yet another bench. Yasmin and be in her element. Yet another bench, and we have library in the landscape. That's it. Fancy reading a book. Sit on the bench, admire the view. What an idea. Just walking through the trees now, and we've got a nice little narrow path, which is extremely slippy, a little bit muddy. Probably about halfway round on the walk now. And it's extremely pleasant. David likes it. Come off the hill now. I'm just following the track and we're in what they call Macclesfield Forest. It really is so peaceful, quiet. Not a breath of wind. Probably another 3/4 an hour back down to the reservoir where I parked my van. Really nice. It's amazing when you get back walking again. So I've probably not been out for 6 weeks. How much it takes it out here. Even doing this comfortable forest walk now. I really do need to get my fitness levels back up again. But I must admit, yeah, the sun's coming out to play. I'll keep my log burner going for a while. I'm probably down to the last, what, 20 minutes before I get to my van. Oh, lovely walking through that forest. Macclesfield Forest. Bench with a view. Right, we're back where we started. It's the hike over. That was a lovely walk. Just under 2.5 hours. I probably felt a bit worse because I had 2 bottles of wine last night, and you shouldn't do that when you're hiking the next day. By the way, this channel does not advocate drinking heavily on a Saturday night. So until next time, Dave's Hiking and Fishing. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, just press the subscribe button. It's totally free. So until next time, I'll see you soon, and I'll leave it a few pictures of the hike. Bye for now.